What's up, guys? It's the official start to New Year, so Happy New Year, everyone. Hope everyone had a safe New Year's and a very responsible New Year's. Anyways, guys, it is super early, and to start off the year, already some things I have to get done to the car, and today that is getting brake pads. So hopefully I can still go get the brake pads installed today. I cannot personally install brake pads. I wish I could, but I cannot install brake pads, and that probably would have been a terrible video anyway, because I probably wouldn't have gotten it done. But hopefully I can go up there and get them installed, because this auto mechanic shop, so how they operate is that you have to get there like first come first serve pretty much, and they opened like 4 or 5 hours ago. Granted, it is the second day of the new year, so I don't think there will be a lot of people that went up there today, but the idea is to get it done. So yeah, hopefully we can go up there and get them installed today. And I too also may need an alignment. So remember that video I made where I tried fixing my tire actually, and I couldn't get the tire off? Or maybe I won't, guys, because this, I mean, obviously was gonna be like tightly on here, but to even see if I needed an alignment. Yeah, so I still haven't gotten that alignment done, so I also need to do that as well. Is that the wind? Wow, that's crazy. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that howling noise, that's the wind. And oh, also, start the new year off, we have terrible weather all week. So that's gonna be that. So I got a very lovely GoPro for us to try out and add to the channel. Now, obviously I'm not gonna, so right now I'm recording off my iPhone, and I'm obviously not gonna bring my iPhone to do water shots and things like that, which I am doing today because it is terrible weather and it's also raining outside, as you guys can see on the window. So I'm going to actually physically mount this to my Audi, or my vehicle, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to see how well this thing performs. Now, I am going to do this in an enclosed space because I do not want to lose my GoPro. I literally just got it, and I would hate to lose it because I've been wanting one for like the longest. So I would hate to lose this. So I am gonna do this in a closed space. And I also want you guys to hear the wobbling on the wheel, just so you guys know I actually need an alignment. So yeah, we're gonna see what this thing can do. Hopefully the footage looks really good on this, because it looked amazing when I was recording a few like test shots. So we'll see how this GoPro does. Also, this is the GoPro 10. I'm not too big, I'm not too knowledgeable in the GoPro world right now. This is my first GoPro. Obviously, I know what they are, but I'm not like that knowledgeable in them. But this is the GoPro 10, GoPro 10 Black, I guess is what it's called. This is how it looks and stuff. It has a screen. Also has a screen on the front right here, and also the lens right here. Yeah, there you go. 10 Black, GoPro 10 Black. So for all the GoPro nerds out there, that's what I got. So here is what I'm working with. This is my setup right now. I have the GoPro suction cup that I'll be mounting to my physical car, so I can get the shots from the outside, but the wobbly wheel. And yeah, this is what I'm gonna be using. Don't know how well this works. It's GoPro, so you know, I don't doubt it doesn't work. First time trying this, so the GoPro nerds don't laugh at me. And yeah, we're gonna see what this suction cup GoPro thing is about. That's right, I'm in this game now. Whether you like it or not. First, I am gonna set up like the actual physical like mount. Cause I just, like I said, I'm new to this game, so I actually gotta like figure out like what I'm doing. Like this, I was like, wait, hold on, this goes in this way. No, it doesn't. See? I'm like trying to like figure this out. Hold on, I'm still, wait. Is this even the right clamp? See? Is what I mean. I'm new to this game. I really don't know what I'm doing. All right, guys, I have the GoPro mounted. So this is what I'm working with right now. So I'm gonna set it like this. So let's pretend this is like my like fender or car wheel well. I'm gonna stick it like this. That way it sticks out and it can actually film the tire like this, like diagonal. You guys will see in the shot, but just so you guys know. So yeah, let's finally now go mount this. All right, guys, I apologize in advance if you guys can't hear me. It's very raining outside. I gotta do this very quick because it is like drizzling where I'm at. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount this real quick, and you guys are gonna watch me do it. So watch me. Also, I don't know what I'm doing, so just know that. Yeah, just, you gotta get it wet. Suction cup, duh. Okay, so it's wet to an extent. I'm not licking this thing, so. Alright, how should I slap this on like this? This would not gonna come off, right? All right, GoPro, you might have just did your thing with that. That actually may not come off. But all right, guys, you guys see it mounted, okay? You guys see it right there. So let's hop back in the car and then let's see if this thing actually is what it's supposed to do. The GoPro is now on and it's now recording. So let's hop back in the car.
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
Getting ready to test this GoPro 10 Black. Okay. Now this road is bumpy, so this may not be my wheel wobbling because the road is bumpy. So the GoPro survived. I did notice it was in tilt mode. I think that means like horizontal, like vertically filming, not horizontal. So it may look weird when I process the video and I edit it and stuff. Sorry, I didn't know it was in tilt mode. But I got the footage. GoPro isn't too dirty, and it's actually very easy to take off. I thought I was gonna have to like pull it off, like, you know what I'm saying, with like a lot of strength. But all you do is like break the seal and it's done. Now let's go see if I can go get my alignment, brake pads, and that's it. Just so you guys can see that I need brake pads. I'm gonna turn this off, right back on, and it's gonna come on as soon as it like settles in. Or if I put it in like drive, let's see, or reverse, let's do reverse. Maybe it won't. It just did it. I don't know why it's not doing it. Hold on, let's see. Reverse just a little bit. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, there you guys have it. You saw it. I need brake pads. We're gonna go in there and see if they can do it. Hopefully they can freaking do it, because I need brake pads. And they don't look busy, so that's a good sign. So funny story, guys. I actually found my, I'm gonna call it an underpan. That's what I'm gonna call it. Like the thing that covers the engine on the bottom. I actually found it at the same auto shop I think I lost it at, which is great because I don't have one. Oh, I do have one. I have a replacement part, but now I found the original, the potential original. That's great, because now I can finally install it back on there. So quite unfortunately for me, I could not get them done today. But I did book an appointment to get them done. So at least I have a guarantee that I can pretend that they can do my brake pads one of these days coming forward in the future. So at least I have that. I could have not gotten anything. Actually, I did get something. I just showed you guys that. But I actually found my, I'm gonna call it an engine underpan thing. I keep forgetting the word for those things. But I actually found it. I lost it like, I think almost 2 years ago, 1 year ago. I thought I lost it on like the highway or something. So it's great that I actually did lose it on the highway and then I actually found it. Because I'm guessing I'm going to put that thing on because I'm tired of hearing all the splashing and the water and everything that I'm hitting and driving over. So that's great. But now the problem is that I have two. So I think I'm just going to steal this one that's been in the auto shop for I think like a year now, almost 2 years, because it definitely belonged to my car. So I think I'm going to steal this one and give them the one that I have, that I found at the junkyard as a replacement part. So it works out. I'm stealing. Well, technically, hold on. I didn't steal. Okay, I asked for it, clearly. But I'm stealing it back. So yeah, I guess you can say it's stealing because I took it back. Yeah. Anyways, that's going to be it, guys, for this video. I really thought there was going to be more with the brake pads being done. But because the brake pads are not done, I'm going to conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I enjoyed making the video, and also that I will be editing the video. If you guys like this style of video, let me know down in the comment section. If you enjoy the video, let me know down in the comment section. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and as always, guys, I will see you guys in the next one.